thought it was only you, bro.
Just be prepared, Nagraj.
Roast of Nagraj.
I heard you were trying to pop a wheelie for some chicks. That's why you fell.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. There's so many chicks here, so I didn't.
That's why you're not coming back, no? So found a wife or what? Potential
Hey,
wife.
no, bro. No.
Your parents are still finding.
Hey, no, bro. No.
Don't lie. I know your parents are searching.
No. I told them, like, until I grow my beard, I won't get married and also.
That love happened.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get in.
Nice. How are you able to manage work, Nagraj?
It's good, bro. It's like not too much work.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Oh yeah.
Compared to yeah,
Not too much work.
yeah, compared to what we used to do in office, like it's not that much work.
Yeah.
But
And
I prefer working from office rather than working from
oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. That's good. I thought you were going to say I
Yeah.
prefer working from home.
No.
I think he can't smoke there, that's why.
Yeah, that is also there, but like the main
No smoke breaks and all, just sit and work quietly, that's all. No?
No Jim Beam.
every day I go.
Actually, Regis is a very good talent, no?
Very,
Yeah.
very. His work ethics, everything.
We should definitely consider moving ahead. Is he still looking out? Because he
He's
sent
still
an
messaging me for freelance and all, but there's no extra work right now, no? Nagar is only saying he doesn't have enough work.
doesn't have work.
How's everything in Bangalore, bro?
Bangalore is pretty fucked, bro, right now. It's completely fucked, actually. Daily we're hitting a new peak in the cases.
I'm good, bro. How are you?
Only 9 minutes late, Lanman.
Sorry, I saw the call link now.
Okay, so we'll start. So, whoever's watching it for the first time, this is Mr. Nagraj, aka Nagraj Fulbavi Nagabhushan, the first
Our first employee
of Think3 Media House. And this is part of a series called TT's First Five. So, welcome Nagraj. Welcome to the first vlog we all are actually doing together.
You got to show your hands to everyone. Just show how actually, not your hands, turn it around.
Okay.
Yeah.
This was an attempt of popping wheelies outside his house, showing
Yeah,
off
there were some
all
chicks.
the-
There were some chicks around my area, so I wanted to just show them also.
So Nagraj, let's start with the first few questions. How have the last 5 years been for you, and how has the experience been working with under the mentorship of you and both of me and Landon slightly? How has the experience been?
First of all, I can't believe we finished almost like 5 years from way to way. Like, I can't believe, bro, actually, like, when I started, I didn't knew so much about designing and all. And I believed whatever Hugh taught, and I'm very grateful for him. Thank you, Hugh, for whatever you did with my designing and all.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. And Mayur, I don't know what to say about you, bro. Like, you've been like a brother to me.
So sweet. Yeah, I just want to say, don't fuck around on this video call because you can't.
Bro.
We will be going live.
Cut it, bro. Cut it.
Yeah.
You're going live, hey, bro. Please.
What about Landman? How has your experience been working with Landman?
Before, like, he never used to be at office, so I didn't knew much about Landwin before. But after that, like, I got to know about him very well. So it's fun, bro. It's fun working with you all, guys. Yeah.
Great. Incentives. This month, incentives you will get, Nagraj.
You remember how the first interview was?
Yeah. I thought I fucked up my first interview. I thought I really badly. But thank God I got the job. So
we have to do our first interview at Cafe Coffee Day because we didn't have an office back then.
How have you seen Nagraj evolve as a designer?
Not just as a designer, I would say as a person as well. Because initially when he came, he was just like a very timid guy who would not say more than 1 or 2 words. He would just say, "Okay, sir. Fine, sir. Okay, sir." Even though I constantly kept telling him to call me by my name, he would respond to that by saying, "Okay, sir," too. And anyway, so he, as a designer, I knew he had potential, and he didn't really show it in the beginning, but it was quite obvious he had potential. And to be honest, his hard working and his fast learning got him where he is right now. And he always wanted to learn. And the fact that he left the course he was doing, the Photoshop course he was doing while he worked with us, showed that he wanted to learn more. And he quit that course and started learning faster by himself. So yeah, here he is. 5 years with us says a lot about him.
I think that course was just a reason to leave office at 3:30 every day. But
I have a feeling
No, I used to go to classes also, bro.
but he
Even
realized
in the
that-
interview also, even in the interview also, I told Landon and Hugh about the same thing. I had classes from 4:30 to 6 o'clock every day, so I need to leave early. You can ask them.
But you also told us a lot of other things like you don't smoke and drink, Nagraj. What about that?
So that
What
is all
about-
my personal thing, so like I didn't want to share at that point of time. So
What about you, Lanvin? How have you seen Nagraj evolve from day 1 to day 5 years?
I think it's been a great journey with Nagraj. And I remember when he joined us in the beginning, like you said, he was a completely different person. And over the last 5 years, a lot has changed. And yeah, I think it's something which is good. He's moved in the right direction. And I'm glad you are where you are at, Nagraj.
If you were, so if
thank
you were to ask me how Nagraj has evolved, I think Nagraj from a smoker has now become a chain smoker.
bro, can you please stop saying that?
Okay, okay, on a
I
more
don't know
serious
what I'm going to.
But on a serious note, I think Nagraj initially from taking the best instructions and executing now has started to give great instructions to the team and now has become a senior level designer over the last few years.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
of course, he's evolved a lot in what you're doing and become the rock star that you are, popping wheelies. And
Yeah,
it's
I
great.
can definitely vouch. Like any new employee comes in, especially a designer, I can definitely put him under Nags, and I don't even have to monitor because he is he has understood like the work so much that he can just teach everyone and anyone who comes in. And I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure a lot of interns who have come and worked under him will vouch for the same.
Definitely. So okay, next. Enough. So enough of praising Nagraj. I think we can get into some rapid fire questions unless anybody else wants to add. So Nagraj, when was the last time you genuinely called back or responded to anybody's text when they tried reaching out to you?
Yesterday to you, bro. Yeah, yesterday I picked up your call and yeah,
Why do you not reply to our team's messages over the weekend?
From- because it's weekend, bro. It's a weekend. Saturday, Sundays are supposed to be off.
Then
But I pick up. No,
what
but I
about
pick up, bro.
What about
Huh?
Monday to Friday? What about Monday to Friday, sir?
Yeah, Monday to Friday also I reply, bro. It's not like I don't reply, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Selective-
Nags,
Selective
are you
response.
there? Are you there some 3 times to respond once?
No, but I think we can
Yeah,
agree
but-
that Nagraj, Monday to Friday, he'll give it his 100%, but weekend is his,
No,
unreachable.
even weekend also I work, bro. It's not like I didn't
Airplane
work,
mode. That's over the weekend.
Monday to Friday, Nagraj. Saturday, Sunday, I am Nagraj. That's all.
I am Nagraj 420, no? 420?
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Have you ever fucked up at work and lied about it to you?
No, I fucked up at work, but I never lied about it.
Never lied about it.
Yeah.
What if it, this is? I think this is the biggest lie of all. Like you never lied about anything. Okay.
Are you sure, Nags, you didn't lie?
If I remember, like, at the beginning, we used to do for Unik.
Yeah.
Yeah. He told me to work on something and then I didn't. And then he called me to ask whether it's done or not. And then I didn't pick up. At that time, I didn't pick up his call.
That's exactly
And
how
then, yeah. And then after some 2 hours or 3 hours later, I called him back and then he started abusing me. Like, if you didn't do also, like, please let me know. Whatever it is, please let me know. And all. After that, I started picking up everyone's calls. So.
Good. So,
So
that was,
there's no question of lying when he doesn't respond,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah. No.
Nagraj, any advice to the three of us? Any advice to your bosses? What would you like to say to
Yeah,
them?
yeah.
Okay.
I need a 5-year bonus, bro. 5-year loyalty bonus.
Lanwin's internet is as
Plan
usual.
went off.
Yeah, I think bro. He
Plan
bonus and then he just
Speak about bonus and he's out. Good job, Lanwin.
yeah.
Yeah. Anything? Any other advice? Nagraj, moving on to the more important things. Any other advice would you like to give us?
Any other advice? I know you. You're the boss of me, and then I know you through this one. I want you guys to step on employees this thing, like be an employee and then see how it feels to respond to the bosses and all. So that way you'll be improve a lot about. You'll know about the difficulties what we face, and even you guys also can know the solution better.
So basically, be empathetic.
Yeah.
Just not good.
Great, Nagraj.
If you have to look at Nags right now, guess how old he is. How old do you think he would be?
We'll wait for
Nags,
the
how old are you?
Me?
Yeah, 16.
I look like some 14-year-old person.
Yeah, you're a
14 to 16, yeah. 16.
16.
Sweet 16, yeah.
Unfortunately, he's not into puberty yet. So, we promise he's signed. We're not doing any child labor here. He's on his own terms.
Okay, Nagraj, who is this one team member of yours you admire the most at office in the current team? Who is the one team member and why?
In the current team.
Yes.
The current team.
It should not be so difficult, Nagraj.
No. I'm just in the current team, bro. You said current team, so I'm just remembering who all are there in the current team. So
if you don't see them or talk to anybody, it'll take so long only.
No, I talk to them, bro. It's not like I don't talk to them.
Okay.
But I think Boni, I think Boni, because of his work ethics. Yeah, he's my member of the team, and then his work ethics, whatever he does, like on time. And he's the nicest person I ever met. And yeah, Boni.
I think Boni is also somebody who's been with us for close to how many years now? 3 years? 3.5, 4 years now?
4 years. 3.5. Close to 4 years.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. What about your old team? Who do you miss the most? And who would you, if there's one person you want to get back to Tingri, who would it be?
John T. Jonathan Adriel, John T. I miss him the most. Yeah, I didn't tell him when I was leaving at all, but yeah, I miss him the most, bro. Like, would have been there, would have been much more better, I think. But right now, it's.
Yeah, I mean, John T is one of second employees who was hired right after Nagraj, and I'm pretty sure everyone in our team who has come after that knows John T, even though he wasn't a part of our team, because he's still at office.
Yeah. Anyway, so Nagraj, who has been one of your favorite clients to work with, and if you were to, constantly work with them for the rest of your life, who would it be?
Mine, Three Monkeys.
Mr. Funny.
Yeah, Mr. Funny.
Yeah,
First client.
First client again.
All
The TTs first have a very special connection, right? From our office guys to clients to employees. Great. We'll definitely plug him into this video somewhere. So, Lanwin, do you have anything to ask Nagraj?
No.
We're all good. Okay.
Okay. Straight up, he said no. Okay, Lanwin.
Before you finish your question,
Hello. Yeah.
I think he just means get back to work.
No, he heard that bonus thing and then he's like, I don't know to ask anything. Okay, bro, Lanwin. Okay, if you don't give
Internet is unstable, Nagraj. My internet is unstable. Can't hear you.
Hello.
Other two can hear, bro. It's okay.
Okay, cool, done. I think we are through. We have enough to
Okay,
edit.
Nagraj, fill up that quality conversations and send it back. No, we had sent it to you. Fill it up and send
Okay.
it back
Yeah.
You know how to fill
I
it,
will.
bro?
today.
You know how to fill it, Max?
No, I'll call you, bro. Obviously,
Then why didn't you respond when I asked you 10 times on the group?
bro. I was on the bed, bro, that day.
See, I was just telling Lanvin, he not even responded once. For 2 days we had conversation about it. Not even once I've heard Nagraj. I'm pretty sure he doesn't.
Okay,
I can't.
bye.
believe-
Okay,
Okay,
thanks,
bye, bye.
Nagraj. Thank you, everyone. Bye. See you.
Bye.